Hi, I'm Tim Gibson, and I'm going to talk to you about HighGloss Paint. Now, HighGloss Paint is something that we're going to typically use on trim or molding throughout the house. And paint comes in different sheens. So everything that, so a very flat or a dull surface would be a flat paint. Eggshell satin is a paint that has just a little bit of brightness to it. Semi-gloss has a bit more, and then a gloss and a high gloss. The high gloss, when you paint it, and you can actually see a little bit of the residual on the side of this can, is going to have almost a glass-like finish to it once it's painted onto a surface. So it gives you a very, very bright, clean look for your paints. And typically, your high glosses, you're going to see that in usually some whites or off-whites or some accent colors, again, using that on your trim paint. Now, on your high gloss, that comes in two different formulations. Most commonly what you're going to find today, because of the new formulations and the better paint formulations on the latex side, is you'll find 100% acrylic high gloss. The new formulations of these acrylic-based paints, they're water cleanup, they have low fumes, so they're a lot better to work with, and easy cleanup, yet they are very, very durable, nearly as durable as what the oil-based paints are. You know, and typically oil-based paints are used on trim to get a good gloss finish and also to provide good durability. But with the new formulations, we can actually get a very high gloss using a latex paint or an acrylic-based paint today. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's some information on HighGloss Paint.